I actually did a rotation with Submarine Corporation and ended up staying on for 10 years working on the Collins-class submarines. It's a very good environment for me to learn how to protect things from corrosion, and those lessons I can use to apply to infrastructure at SA Water.
I was doing chemical engineering at Adelaide University, and in the third year I had to choose some electives, and I said, I want to find out more about water and wastewater treatment. Because to me, water is always very inspiring. Water is essential for life. I have put a proposal together to investigate large-scale desalination plants and bring the knowledge, the learnings back. I've been to a lot of desalination plants around the world, and I have to say, the Adelaide desalination plant is first class. We have more than 35,000 of these modules. This is the heart of the desalination process, and we're using the latest technology.
We developed a durability plan, so right from the start we chose the materials that would last the longest for that specification, and then the designers had to implement those materials within the design. It is an aggressive environment in seawater, and so the corrosion protection needs to be high class. Our concrete tanks and our infrastructure in terms of our desalination plant include many elements that need to last 100 years. And SA Water's responsibility is to provide the best possible product back to the South Australian public.
To be involved in a project where we've got a first-class asset that guarantees a water supply, not just for current future generations, but also that will be attractive to industry if they were to set up here. This is our water security, our insurance policy now and into the future.
When you say high quality water, for me, the most important thing is that the water is safe for the public. When that water transitions from a treatment plant through a pipeline, through a series of pump stations to a property, it interacts with a whole lot of materials during that cycle. So my role is to make sure that during all of those interactions, nothing contaminates the water. You know, that's really one of the tenets of SA Water, is to provide the best product back to the public. And if the pipe's not rusting, then it's doing its job. We can bury our steel pipelines and provide a corrosion protection system that makes them last 150 years.
It's about stepping back and looking where are the water quality guidelines headed in the future, and what works need to be done now, what works need to be done in 5 years' time, 15 years' time. So it's an exciting time.
Yeah, it's a great place to work. It's a busy place and there's so much different types of work to be done.
And strategically, for water filtration plants, there's going to be a lot of work to do. It's a great opportunity.